Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel.
Hi, yesterday I started a project and now it's finished. I thought it would take about one day to reclaim the dining room space as my own creative studio, and I did it. Couldn't have done it without my husband, so here's how we did it. Here's the video. Thanks for watching. Kendra, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with Gigi. And I don't know if I've told you yet, but Gigi got a diagnosis from the vet. She has got an enlarged heart. So she is always hacking like this. She's not in any pain. She sounds horrible though, like she's like a cigarette smoker, 3 packs a day minimum. But anyway, she is still healthy. She's still got a lot of great energy. Okay, here is the plan today. I had okayed with the man that lives with me, aka my husband. I told him, look, the dining room has so much great light. That is where I do all of my painting. I grow all of our baby succulents here before they get transferred out into the yard. So I just finally said to him, look, I'm taking over the dining room, turning it into my creative space. Upstairs we have this whole bay of windows and it's incredible. We get the greatest view of the San Francisco Bay. It's amazing. I'm not complaining, okay? I'm not complaining. But I am an artist and I need a place to hang my art while I'm painting on it because many of you know I don't work on an easel. I don't think I even own one. If I do, there's really no wall space. It's a pretty large house, but half of it is underground. The other half is upstairs, and it is just built in a way where there's tons of great light coming in upstairs because of the windows. Awesome. But this behind me is like the biggest wall that we have. So we're going to be taking out these china cabinet, and we'll go ahead and put those in the garage, probably utilize them there. Hi, it's Kendra. It's the mid-afternoon and I wanted to see how the lighting is in this room, the formal dining room slash creative space, my new art studio. So I'm feeling like the lighting is really good. What do you guys think? I mean, everything's popping, all the colors are really vibrant. I think I'm gonna do all right here. This turned out to be a really smart idea. And so now let me commence with the project and be ready to show you the finished art studio here in a couple of hours. I think I can do this all in one day. Let's see. I'm getting close to being finished here in my new studio space. I have to wait until my husband gets home to get this taken down. So I'm going to do my little happy dance now. Running Man. Now, I don't know what this is called. It's a techno dance I'm learning on YouTube. Haven't got it yet, but I'm getting there. Okay, so I am ready to start painting in my new, very well lit studio space, and I just want to kind of give you a really quick reveal before I start painting. My husband did take the cabinets down. That was awesome. And let me show you what it looks like now, but to be honest, it's not that impressive. At least not yet, because it's not really completely cleaned up and organized. So that'll be a project for another day because I'm so excited. I have to paint right now. So I'm gonna put a fresh canvas up on the wall. I'm gonna do a painting really quickly and see how it goes. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and hold on, I'll give you the reveal really quick. And also too, I've got 2 more announcements. Really, really cool stuff happening. Okay, thanks.
All right, so I've got a brand new studio space. My husband took the cabinets out. That shelving unit right now will be reorganized and chock full of all my paints and all my neat stuff. Here's a little couch that I'm going to be sitting at, take a nap at if I feel like. That's kind of neat. This corner I've got some art. And then this is where I have got my desk, and it needs to be completely cleaned up, but I'm gonna paint first. Well, I wasn't sure if I wanted to keep the garden table in the art studio, but I'm so glad I did. Over here in this corner is where all of my fresh cuttings are, and it's just amazing. It makes me so happy. Glad I kept it in. Okay, let's paint. Really good natural light up here. Super cute. Look, home sweet home. Oh my gosh. I sure am. This project has really been a lot of fun. So here's just some quickie art pieces I've done. You know, just fun, quick, abstract pieces. And then here's the light. Hi, Gigi. Oh, hi, baby. Oh, how are you? Oh, you're so sweet.
Thanks for watching my video today, and well,
I have two announcements. The first thing is my second book is going to be released very shortly, and it's called Sink, Swim, Float, and Flow. It's about overcoming obstacles and then really beginning to enjoy your life again, no matter what, because we all have tough times, and especially now through COVID, a lot more urgent obstacles and challenges that we have to get over. So it is a book about optimism. All right. The next announcement is I am adding a ton of merch to my Etsy shop and my website. I am going to be adding some of the old textiles that I used to carry, and so they're going to be available again. I'm going to re-release them. And a lot of my new art I'm going to go ahead and turn into notebooks, notepads, journals, possibly t-shirts, things like that, coffee mugs. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and be more creative than I've been in a long time because of the very quiet summer of COVID. So hope you're all well. Thanks for watching again, and next time. Finally, I have some wall space now, so here's some art that is ready to hang and to be worked on. This ocean triptych was made for a client, and I will show you in an upcoming video how to do it. As always, sending you infinite joy. Thanks for watching today. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe.